watched his sons at war. Their quarrels echoed near and far. With words he tried to mend their ways, but strife consumed their endless days. He thought, I'll show them what's at stake, a lesson clear for their own sake. Oh, sons like sticks, you're strong as one. United heart can't be undone. Together stand, no foe can break, but split apart, your strength will fade. He called them close one fateful day. Bring me sticks, don't delay. They fetched a bundle tight and firm. He said, now break it, prove me wrong. They strained and pulled with all their might, but bound as one, it held so tight. Oh, sons like sticks, you're strong as one. United heart can't be undone. Together stand, no foe can break, but split apart, your strength will fade. He lost the bundle stick by stick and handed each a single pick. Now break them, said he, calm and wise. They snapped with ease before their eyes. My sons, he spoke, his voice profound. United, you'll be safe and sound. But if you fight and drift apart, you'll fall like sticks to a broken heart. Oh, sons like sticks, you're strong as one. United heart can't be undone. Together stand, no foe can break, but split apart, your strength